Here's a video to show you how to keep your Owala water bottle mold-free, clean, and ready to go. It's really simple. It just takes regular maintenance. You need to do this at least once a week. Go ahead and first open up the water bottle. This part here, you're just going to clean out like any other cup. Just use soap and water. This part here takes a little bit more effort. We're going to pop this up. The best thing you can do is take this rubber gasket out. After you take that out, you're going to just run hot water and soap through this. It'll be good to go. This guy normally gets a little bit of mold on it. You can see it right here. You're going to take a brush and some dish soap and really scrub around on it, rinse it off, and get that mold off of there. Now this one, we weren't great at keeping our regular maintenance up. The mold is stuck on here. Can't get it off. Good news is you can buy these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below for these. You're just going to take the new one, just like this. It's already mold free. We're going to take it with the recessed side down on top of that. Push it down there and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.